Hey guys, welcome back. And today is another video. My second time uploading daily. So yeah, speaking just to start things out good. This morning I opened this 100 key chest over here, and I got out of it. I got a freaking Zeus. I have never gotten. I did not even think it was possible to get it from that. But yeah, now I have two Zeuses. This one I'll upgrade it, and then I'll have. Since you guys wanted, since one of you guys requested a Zeus, Raging, I might put both of these on. I didn't. Yeah, I just put them on later on once this one gets upgraded. So yeah, today will be another free for all gameplay. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, War Robots Gamer. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Damn it, I got it up. You see, I tapped this ability thing, but it didn't come out the way I wanted it to. guys, by the way, if you reverse this video, you would see that the little shelter thing that the guy was hiding behind isn't there. Like, it glitched out. You would have kind of seen it if you back up the video a little bit. So you guys could do that. Because yeah, the building, this little structure right here, these two got glitched out. Like, they weren't there for a moment, and then when they started shooting the rhino I just killed, that's when they appeared. You guys would be asking, why are you shooting him? Well, I'm not shooting him because I want to get closer to him so I can hit him. Because so he doesn't notice me right now because he's aiming for the other guy. So I'm gonna try to get this guy when he's unguarded. Well, you know what? I'll just look for this guy. Remember I'm trying to do when I did that climbing video on Spider-Box? I want to see if I can climb this thing. No way, I can? No way. And he's going for me now. Come on, get up there. Damn it! Finally, somebody occupy this guy over. I'm gonna do two battles. This one and a different one. This one will just be like a regular video battle, but the other one is gonna have comments and regular sound effects. So because I just want you guys to. I want you guys to give your opinion on what video you like most. Oh boy. Stay behind this wall. Got him. Leo. Nice. Let's go for this guy. So yeah guys, there's many different places. As you saw, I just climbed that wall, but it takes time. So if you guys have the time or the patience to actually get up those walls like that, well then yeah, you would guys just climb walls. If you guys could just climb walls with your robots to get the higher terrain or go for people faster. It really gets on my nerves when people start making circles around the buildings and while I'm trying to run over and get it. Finally, somebody actually fights me. Yay. Oh no. There we go. There we go. Get him, get him, get him. So guys, that was that battle. Let's go over here and pause that. Alright, this will be a regular battle with sound effects and comments. I could barely hold myself from saying comments in that video. In that battle, my bad. Dead silence there a little bit. Let's go this time. So yeah, guys, I want you guys to give your opinion. What would you prefer? This Razian with Nash horns, or would you prefer Zeus? Well, let me know in the comments below. One of the reasons I put that music on is because like it goes with the theme of War Robots, even though it's a different theme for Transformers. I use it for a different theme. Like it just goes with the theme. Why is everybody going for me? Are you serious? Did you just see that? Like he dashed a little bit there. I kind of like when it says kill after you kill somebody. That's a very satisfying part of the game that the creators added. I'm really close up to this guy. And nothing above he's going to be over there. Oh boy. Position? Oh, yeah, I positioned my shield right. And they got blown up, so now I have no shield. And there we go. This guy's like, what? I thought I killed that robot. I'm not gonna go hog this guy still. If I can. Come on, boy. Dude, you're actually starting to get annoying now. He's coming up that side? Yeah, he's coming up that side. I highly doubt this is gonna work out, but I wanna see if this guy stops firing at me. Yeah, see if he stops firing at me. Does he? I highly doubt it. Alright, so let's see. Oh boy. Alright, let's get this guy. I know he's gonna just shoot me from the back, but he doesn't do that much damage compared to what the amount of health my robot has. I'm gonna try to hang off the side. No, that didn't work. I'm gonna just finish you first. You both going down? Are you serious? Okay, I gotta admit, since this guy's more annoying, let's go get this guy. I have so many heal points. I could heal my robots now. Wee, yay. Oh, I thought that was his last robot. Oh, he must have healed a lot, or he must have. Is that a Lancelot? Lancot? Whatever. Let's go bottom side. Bro, I think I'm in first place. I have the most kills in the entire server right now. In this server. Imagine me climbing these little stairs. I like how much detail. Yeah, it was a robot. I like how much detail the creators put into these maps. It was just appreciating for all of us. Did I get a hit on him? No, I will not. But yeah, that was a clean match. So yeah guys, that was today's video. Oh yeah, what is this? What? Oh, this is just great. Beautiful. Well, yeah, that was today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like in the of this. Please leave a like to this video and leave any comments or concerns you have in the comment section below. Alright, guys, that's today's video. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.